This is Rituparna, working in the ai&ml team of Kovaion Consulting. Today, I'm here to give you a sneak peek into the working of our Power BI enhanced dashboards with embedded functionalities. So let's begin with the landing page. This page gives us a way to have a look and navigate through all the pages in the dashboard, consisting of two very useful pages, namely the SLA metrics and the paralegal productivity. So let's start with the very interesting SLA metrics. This page gives a gist of the cases for which SLA have been met or not, which in turn proved to be highly effective for decision making in business. So several case milestones are listed here in this page, namely the case initiations, submit LCA to all, information and document collection, etc., which consists of the milestone start date and the milestone end date. In the first step, we focus on the cases which are eligible for SLA calculation. Hence, the cases for which the milestone start date is greater than the milestone end date or consist of blanks are not eligible for SLA and hence fall under the criteria not met bucket. The rest of the cases are considered to be eligible for SLA and come under the criteria met bucket. The first visual clearly depicts the same. As you can see, 116 of the cases do not meet the criteria, whereas 8 of the cases meet the criteria for SLA calculation. In the second step, SLA calculation is considered. The SLA days are fixed for the particular milestone. Let us suppose the SLA days to be 2 here. So those cases having the difference between the milestone start date and milestone end date less than or equal to 2 meet the SLA and the remaining don't, which is once again depicted in the second visual. As you can see, here 7 of the cases meet the SLA, whereas 1 case does not meet the SLA. The same has been depicted for all the other case milestones. Along with we also have a slicer panel, which helps the user to filter the cases as per their requirement and get a hold of the information. The user can filter it based on paralegals and have a view of the information. The user can also filter it based on organization and get a similar view. For the rest of the petitioner name, team, case petition name, as well as case group. The slicer panel also consists of a refresh button, which helps the user to clear all selections. And finally, click on the home icon to get back to the landing page. We have a similar SLA metrics page for the other relevant case milestones as well, wherein the user gets access to similar features. Finally, we have the paralegal productivity page. So moving on to the paralegal productivity, this page gives us an idea as to how many cases have been filed and initiated for a particular paralegal. It's very important for the higher authorities and functional heads to keep a check into such metrics and thus help in better management. So as you can see, the paralegals and cases have been distributed along the axis with the help of a bar chart visual. Also, the cards on the top give us the count of the total cases initiated and filed in last 2 business years. A similar slicer panel has been incorporated here too for the easy and smooth filtering of the relevant information. This page also allows the users to toggle to a table view and have a look and feel of the data. With this, I wrap up with today's quick read emphasizing on how we can transform data in form of a visual story for better understanding. Thank you for being a great audience.